Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we'll be learning two outstanding editing skills in CapCut that will help you boost your editing. Without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorials. The first one is the highlight text effect. So to start with, add your imported image to the timeline. Go to text and add a default text. Then type 2 underscores. Move it to the dark side for clear visibility. Now scroll down and look for uniform scale and toggle it off. You will see two options, scale width and scale height. So you can increase both in your perfection or in your preference, the way you like, or in a way that it will cover the text you want to highlight. When you are done, you can change the color. Yellow will be perfect. Then place it on the text you want to highlight. With the text selected, go to animation and select wipe right and increase its duration to 3.3 seconds. We need to have another highlight effect. To do that, select the text, press Ctrl C to copy, then press Ctrl V again to paste and align it like this. Now select the duplicated text and place it on the sentence you want to highlight. We can see that our highlight effect is going out of boundary and we need to apply mask to make it stay in its original position where we want it to stay. So to do that, first of all, we have to create a compound clip. In this way, we can apply the mask effect. Add mask, select film strip, rotate it 90 degrees and place it on the sentence in such a way that the highlight effect won't go out of boundary. Perfect. Now with the first compound clip selected, scroll down, go to blend and choose multiply. This will give you a clear visibility of the text which has been highlighted. Perfect. Now apply the same process to the second text. Go to library and add a black background. Add your imported clip. Adjust its duration to be equal with the black background. Now, with your clip selected, go to remove background and choose auto remove background and wait for the cutout to be applied. Scale it down a bit and do some adjustment on it if the brightness seems to be high. Add a default text and type 2 underscores. Rotate it 90 degrees and increase the font size. After that, scroll down and go and turn off uniform scale and increase the width and height. Now it's time to create the light effect. To do that, scroll down to colors, set a keyframe at the beginning of the text, then move a few frames ahead and change the color, and move few frames ahead and change it to a different color. Keep on doing it consecutively till you get different types of color. When you are done, make a duplicate of it by pressing Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste and place it on top of the other clips and move it to the other side. Now it's time to apply the glow effect for our light to bright higher. To be able to do that, we need to create a compound clip of both tests in order to be able to apply the glow effect successfully. When you are done, go to Effects and search for Glow. Apply it to the second clip and do some adjustments on its basics, like you can increase the glow effect or decrease it. Apply the same to the other compound clip. Perfect, you are good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if it was helpful, let me know it in the comment section below. See you in the next video.